We're going to review the top 5 best wall-mounted bookshelves, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. EkniTey Wall-Mounted Floating Shelves. Floating EkniTey shelves have a clean-looking and sturdy design that works well in offices. The shelves are natural solid wood with a stunning wood grain finish. On the other hand, its brackets are heavy-duty metal, which you can screw onto wood or concrete walls using standard tools. Thus, to get EkniTey to work, you do not need the help of a pro, as some models often do. The 3 shelves offer enough space for your books and/or decorations such as framed photos. You can also convert them into spice racks in your kitchen or storage racks for toys in your kids' bedroom. Number 2. Walnutshire Bali U-shaped bookshelves. Are you shopping for a contemporary-themed wall-mounted bookcase for your office? Walnutshire Bali is a multi-purpose U-shaped product that stands out in many ways. Each is measuring about 17.7 x 7.9 x 6.4 inches. The 3 shelves offer vast storage spaces for books of all shapes and sizes. They also have a modern white theme and a simple bolt-on design that most people can install in minutes. Walnutshire Bali is a versatile U-shaped organizer that plays many roles in offices and homes. Number 3. WGX Design Ladder Shelf Bookcase. To have a stunning industrial look and maximize storage space for your books, look for the WGX bookcase. The screw-on rustic pipes used to make its frame are not only stylish but also sturdy. Thus, apart from books, you can use it to secure heavy items such as bookshelf speakers with excellent results. The frame has a rust-resistant wrought iron finish and wood shelves with a distressed look. WGX is a practical and beautiful product that comes ready to use off the shelf. Its 6 tiers come pre-drilled and ready to set up. The frame screws on quickly and has wide clamps with pre-drilled holes that make its installation a breeze. Number 4. FOF Industrial Retro Wall Mount Shelving Bookshelf. FOF is one of the large wall-mounted bookshelves on our list, making it suitable for people with book collections. If you have 52 inches of free wall space, here are a few benefits of buying one. First, the product has 5 wood shelves spaced 12 inches apart. Therefore, large books such as the encyclopedia can fit on it without toppling over. The steel pipe frame on offer is equally exciting. It is durable and has a protective powder coat that prevents it from rusting. Number 5. Ewenchik Industrial Wall Mount Ironpipe Shelves. Ewenchik comes as a set of 2 wall-mount pipe shelves with a stunning retro black theme. Each has an industrial-grade steel pipe frame that you bolt onto a wooden or concrete wall. It is also rust-proof and has a screw-on design that you can disassemble and store out of sight. Buy for a home or office worry-free. The secure, wooden platforms of Ewenchik can support a lot of weight. Made of solid wood, they do not buckle under the stress of books, unlike cheap ones. The shelves have a well-finished, natural look and lay on the steel pipe without screwing.